Hi dear viewers, today we are going to make vanilla wafers or Nilla wafers. They are used in banana pudding, strawberry shortcake fudge or banana pudding cheesecake. Ingredients needed for it are 57 grams unsalted butter, 75 grams vanilla powdered sugar. If it's not available, you can use simple brown sugar, as I have used it in its powdered form. 1 egg of medium size, 85 grams of all-purpose flour, baking soda half teaspoon and salt 1/4 teaspoon, vanilla extract 3/4 tablespoon. Let's start the recipe. With the help of beater, mix well unsalted butter and vanilla extract. Then add brown sugar. Mix it slowly until the mixture is pale and fluffy. Look at it, it's pale, fluffy and soft. Then add 1 egg of medium size and mix it well. Look at its consistency. Then add half teaspoon baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Then add 85 grams of all-purpose flour. Add it slowly in the form of 1 or 2 tablespoons. Mix it well so that there are no clumps of the flour. Here is a baking tray with butter paper. Fill the mixture in the piping funnel with the help of a spoon. Fill it till half and then close. Make small circles of this mixture and keep a distance of at least 3 cm between two circles. This distancing between two circles or Nilla wafers is quite necessary because this mixture is having baking soda, and during baking, when these circles expand, they may stick together. You can also use simple reusable piping bag to fill the mixture, as I have used in my first experiment of Nilla wafers. Fill the mixture and cut the tip of piping bag. Put the baking tray in oven at 150 degree for about 12 minutes. As I was talking about the proper distancing between Nilla wafers, this was my first experiment. I didn't kept a proper distance between them, and result is in front of you. Although the taste and texture was too good. Let's come back to our oven. Our Nilla wafers are going to bake. 10 to 12 minutes at 150 degree are sufficient for baking. When they are baked from the lower side, just turn on the upper rod for 1 minute. When they are light brown from upper side, just turn off the oven. After 1 or 2 minutes, just take out the baking tray and here is the result. You can also make other shapes from the same mixture, and here I am going to make shape of biscuits, and believe me, their taste is also just like the biscuits. Here is the final result. Our Nilla wafers are ready. Their texture, their taste, their smell, that is too good. My kids love to eat them with milk at 5 p.m. They're crispy, their taste is also too good. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel MK Art Food and Education. Thank you. Bye bye.